Hello, everyone. My name is Bita Safari. I'm the founder and the CEO of GIGO Clean Technology. GIGO Clean is an application serving cleaning industry. It connects consumers to the cleaners directly by zip code. It's going to be a revolution in the cleaning industry because it's making a lot of changes, the same way that Uber did. Currently, when somebody is looking for a house cleaning, there are few options. They either ask from their relatives, neighbors, friends, and families, or they go on Google and they see a list of cleaning companies available in their by their address. Then they have to call many cleaning companies to find the right schedule and right prices for them. This app is extremely easy to use and it's very convenient. It helps real estate agents tremendously. It helps property managers, and it's free to download. There is no membership. There is no long-term commitment required to download the app. The idea of GIGO Clean came to my head when I was struggling finding cleaners for my own house. The system empowers cleaners to manage their schedule and work during the time that they want to, rather than working with the cleaning company's schedule that it's given to them. So they can have another job, they can go to school, they can spend time with their families and work during the hours that they are free to work. They also will have more income, more hourly income compared to when they work for someone else. I am very proud of what I've developed throughout the past 4 years. When I was developing the GIGO Clean app, I learned a lot from the industry. I'm fascinated by how large the industry is. I made friends with many people that have been working in the industry for many years. And I look at GIGO Clean app as an achievement for myself, as something that I started from very basic, and now it's available to everyone to download. So the future for GIGO Clean is to service all cities in the United States. So in 5 years, we will go national. Hopefully at some point we go universal, but within the next 5 years, we certainly will be available in all cities in the United States. I encourage everyone to download the app and use it.